Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Germicidal Lamp is probably one of the most effective tools you can have in your arsenal for combating invisible threats, offering a powerful way to sanitize surfaces and purify the air in your home or office by utilizing ultraviolet light to disrupt the DNA of bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms, making it an essential addition for anyone prioritizing a healthier living environment and seeking peace of mind against germs and pathogens. Number 5. Home Disinfection Device UV Light Sanitizer. Introducing our advanced home disinfection device. It utilizes powerful UV light to effectively sanitize your living spaces. This innovative sanitizer targets and eliminates dust mites, creating a healthier environment for you and your family. Perfect for any room, it provides thorough sanitization using ultraviolet light. Breathe easier knowing your space is clean. Enjoy effortless operation with its 3-speed timing settings and convenient remote control. Set it and forget it. With a robust 38W UV lamp, it delivers effective disinfection power. It's designed for reliable performance in your home. Invest in your well-being with this essential home disinfection tool. It's the smart choice for a cleaner, healthier home. What we like? This device offers versatile disinfection with its 3-speed timing and convenient remote control. If you're looking for a powerful and user-friendly option for whole room sanitization, this is a great choice. It's ideal for larger spaces where you need flexibility in setting disinfection times. What people say. The lamp is very effective at sterilizing surfaces. The design is compact and easy to move around. It has a timer function that allows for controlled sterilization periods. Number 4. CoaSpider 6W UV-C Light Lamp. Introducing the CoaSpider 6W UV-C Light Lamp, designed for effective sanitization. Its 253.7 nanometers wavelength targets germs in enclosed spaces. This lamp is perfect for various areas like closets, shoe cabinets, bathrooms, and even refrigerators. It offers broad coverage for your sanitization needs. Setting it up is a breeze with the included 5-foot cord, plug, and fixing accessories. You can easily install it wherever you need it most. For safety, ensure the area is well ventilated for 30 minutes after use, and keep it out of reach of children. It's designed for adult use only. Enjoy peace of mind with a service life of up to 8,000 hours. We stand by the efficiency and reliability of our product. This lamp makes a thoughtful and practical gift for your family members. Give the gift of a cleaner environment. What we like? This compact lamp is perfect for smaller, enclosed spaces like closets, shoe cabinets, or bathrooms. If you need targeted disinfection in these areas and appreciate the added power of ozone, this is the one for you. It's designed for easy installation and use in specific zones. What people say. The germicidal lamp has a built-in timer for automatic shut-off, which is convenient and safe. It effectively sterilizes surfaces, reducing the presence of bacteria and viruses. The design is compact and portable, making it easy to move around different rooms. Number 3. 38W UV Replacement Bulb with Ozone for CTUV 38. Introducing our 38-watt UV replacement bulb, designed to effectively purify your space. It's the perfect fit for your CTUV 38 unit. This bulb emits 185 nanometers UV rays, which are crucial for decomposing oxygen into ozone. This ozone then works to eliminate impurities. Ozone's small molecular structure allows it to penetrate even the tightest gaps. This ensures a thorough and deep clean for your environment. The generated ozone actively breaks down harmful substances and odors. Experience a fresher, cleaner atmosphere with its advanced decomposition capabilities. Replacing your old bulb is simple, and the results are immediate. Enjoy enhanced air quality and peace of mind with this essential component. What we like? This is a replacement bulb specifically designed to generate ozone for enhanced disinfection. If you already have a compatible fixture and need to replace your bulb to achieve ozone-based sanitization, this is your solution. It's ideal for those who understand and prefer the benefits of ozone for deep cleaning. What people say. The lamp has a built-in timer and remote control, making it convenient to use. It effectively sterilizes the air and surfaces, eliminating odors and bacteria. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. Number 2. 100W UV Plus Ozone Whole Room Sanitizer. Our device features intelligent motion detection, ensuring it operates only when the area is clear. This provides a safer and more effective sanitization experience. Harnessing the power of UV and ozone, it achieves a remarkable 99.99% sanitization rate. It effectively eliminates germs and bacteria for a healthier environment. Control is simple with our 3-step timing function. Set the desired duration easily using the included remote control for convenient operation. Designed with your safety in mind, it utilizes remote control and multiple timing options for secure use. Enjoy 360-degree coverage without dead angles. Perfect for homes, offices, schools, and public spaces. It offers a comprehensive solution for your diverse disinfection needs, promoting a healthy lifestyle. Built with premium UV light bulbs and a durable stainless steel bracket, this device ensures longevity and consistent performance. Its specific UV wavelength is highly effective. What we like. Featuring motion detection and a powerful 100W output, this lamp provides comprehensive room sanitization with both UV and ozone. If you need a high-performance disinfection solution for busy environments like offices or schools, this is an excellent option. Its safety features ensure it operates effectively without human or pet presence. What people say. The lamp has a built-in timer function, allowing for precise control over sterilization duration. It effectively eliminates bacteria and viruses, providing a clean and safe environment. The compact and portable design makes it easy to use in various rooms and spaces. Number 1. 36W UV Sanitizer Lamp with Remote. Introducing our powerful UV sanitizer lamp. It uses 253.7 nanometers wavelength UVC rays for effective sterilization, ensuring a safe environment. This device operates without producing ozone, meaning you don't need to ventilate the room extensively after use. Enjoy peace of mind with its clean sterilization process. Control it easily with the included remote from outside the room. It features a 3-gear timer for 15, 30, or 60 minutes of operation, offering flexible usage. For added safety, a child lock feature is available. This prevents accidental activation, ensuring that children cannot operate it without supervision. Important, this lamp is for unoccupied spaces like basements, cars, or storage areas. Humans, pets, and plants must not be exposed to the UV light during operation. Please leave the room while it's working. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you experience any issues, please contact us for support. Our product is EPA registered for your assurance. What we like. This lamp offers ozone-free disinfection, making it safer and requiring less ventilation time. If you prioritize a healthier environment and ease of use, especially in homes with children or pets, this is the ideal choice. Its remote control and safety lock add layers of convenience and security. What people say. The lamp has a built-in ozone generator that can sterilize the air and remove odors. It features a 360-degree sterilization angle, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The lamp is made of durable quartz glass and has a long lifespan. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.